Who is the boyfriend here? Show me your boyfriend. Okay, the assistant boyfriend. Who brought you here? Who paid? You paid for yourself. Independence, ladies. Put your hands together for her. But let me tell you something. I spend my money every day. Let me back up now. Be my wingman. I spend my money every day. I don't care if you walk away to another man. See, I am ready to be your mugu. The person I'm for life. So think about it tomorrow. I will thank you. Put your hands together.